Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Melanie. We're going to learn a rhyme today using opposite words. Do you know what opposite words are? Opposite words are words that mean totally different things, like hot is the opposite of cold, on is the opposite of off. So we're going to name some birds with opposite words. And this is the way it goes. Everybody hold up two little blackbirds, and here we go. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill, one named Jack, one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. Two little blackbirds sitting in the snow, one named Fast, one named Slow. Fly away fast, fly away slow. Come back fast, come back slow. Two little blackbirds sitting on a stick, one named Well, one named Sick. Achoo! Fly away well, fly away sick. Achoo! Come back well, come back sick. Achoo! Two little blackbirds sitting on a cloud, one named Soft, one named Loud. Fly away soft, fly away loud. Come back soft, come back loud. Two little blackbirds getting pretty bold, one named Hot, one named Cold. Brrr. Fly away hot, fly away cold. Brrr. Come back hot, come back cold. Brrr. Now see if you can think of some opposite names for your birds.